So hello everyone, now we will start our list methods in Python. So there are so many list methods in Python. First method is sort. This method sorts the list in ascending order. The original list is updated. So this is the example of sort method. So guys, open your Jupyter notebook and we will start coding and one by one we will understand. So there are so many methods. Okay. So open your Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now give the heading list methods. Okay. So the first method is sort method. For example, we are creating a variable colors and then violet and then indigo and then blue and then green. Now colors dot sort and print colors. Now in this way we can sort our list in ascending order. By default, sort ascending. Okay everyone. Now num equal to 4 5 6 and so now we will sort num dot sort print num. So this is in ascending order. What if you want to print the list in descending order? We must give reverse equal to true as a parameter in the sort method. For example, colors equal to violet, indigo, blue, green. Now colors dot sort and then use reverse equal to true. Now print colors and this is the output. This is in descending order. We can also print numbers, for example 9 5 7 3 10 50 38 and then num dot sort reverse equal to true and then print num. So this is in ascending order. Now this method reverses the order of the list. This is descending. This is also descending. And this is ascending. This is also ascending. Okay. Now reverse method. For example, create a variable colors equal to violet and then indigo and then blue and then green. Now use reverse method and then print your colors. So this is the output, and so this is not num, this is colors. Okay, now this is the output, violet at last and green at first and then blue and then indigo and then violet will print. We can also print numbers, for example 3 5 1 9 5 7 and then num dot reverse, then print your num and so this is the output. Now our next method, which is index. So what index method do? This method returns the index on the first occurrence of the list item. For example, colors equal to violet, green, indigo, and then blue, and then green. Now print colors dot index of green. So the index of green is 0 1 2 3 and 4. So the index of green is 1 because it gives the index of the first occurrence, and in this code there are two greens, but the first occurrence of the green index will be 1. We can also print numbers, for example 5 6 3 4 9 7 8 1 2 0. Now print num dot index and no need to specify quotes in integer numbers. Okay, now the index is 2. Okay, so everyone, you can also use f string. For example, here also index of green is, and then use curly braces, and then so this is better, and this is look like good to read. Now count function, count method. Now it returns the count of the number of items with a given value. For example, colors equal to violet, green, indigo, blue and green. Now print colors dot count green. So this is the output. In this code there are two green. Now copy method. So what copy method do? It returns copy of the list. This can be done to perform operations on the list without modifying the original list. For example, colors equal to violet, then green, then indigo, and just wait. Okay, now and blue. And or we will also create a new variable, new list, and then colors dot copy, and then print your colors first and then print your new list first. So we will find the difference between colors and new list. So violet, green, indigo, and blue, and then this is another list which is violet, green, indigo, blue. The next method, which is append. So this method appends item to the end of the existing list. For example, colors equal to violet, indigo, blue, and then colors dot append green, and then print your colors. So green will append at the last. Okay, so this is the append method. Now there is another method which is used to add something, for example insert. So what is the insert method? So in exam there is a question, the difference between insert, append, and extend. So this is very important question. So first we will create a method, variable violet, indigo, and then blue. Now the index of violet is 0, index of indigo is 1, and the index of blue is 2. So colors dot insert at index first, green will insert, now print colors. So this is the output. Green will insert at index 1. So this one is your green index of green. Now extend. So this method adds an entire list or any other collection data type. For example, set tuple dictionary to the existing list. For example, adding a list to a list. So create a variable colors equal to, and just copy it, Control C and Control V. Now rainbow equal to green, and then yellow, and then orange, and then red. Now colors dot extend and rainbow. Now print your colors. So in this way you can add two lists. Our next method is concatenating two lists. So guys, in this code, violet, indigo, blue, this is the first list and this is the second list, green, yellow, orange and red. You can also create another list. For example, list 1 equal to 1 2 3 4, and then list 2 equal to 5 6 7 8, and then list 1 dot extend list 2, and then print your list 1, and this is the output. So extend method is used for merging two lists. Now the last method, concatenating two lists. So first we will give the heading. Okay. You can simply concatenate two lists to join two lists. For example, colors equal to violet, indigo, blue, and then green. Now colors 2 equal to yellow, orange, and the last one is red. Now print your colors, and now you can use plus operator. This is arithmetic operator to concatenate your lists, and the second list, which is colors 2. Now so you can use both methods, extend and concatenation, to merge two lists. So alright everyone, please take a look to this code. List methods, short. So we will cut it and then paste here and then mark down it. Okay, so first is sort. This is a small sort. Okay, this is sort. Okay, in sort we can use ascending and descending methods and reverse. Everyone note that reverse and descending both are very different. Descending means arrange the values in descending order, but reverse means reverse the elements of the list. Next method, which is index, and then count, and then copy, append, insert, extend, concatenation. So how many methods? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 methods. Now this is our definitions. So now we have discussed about reverse equal to true, and then reverse, and then index, and then count method, append, this is very important method, extend and insert. So in your exam, the difference between insert, append and extend